Well, hey there, folks, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Guess what? It's time for another ramen recipe. And this time, I'm making Ramen Spaetzle. Have you heard of Spaetzle? It's a German dish. I used to work at a Swiss restaurant, and Spaetzle was one of those side dishes you can choose. And it was very tasty. It was like noodles covered in cheese and so yummy. Well, let's make some. In a pan with some oil, I'm going to cook up a chopped onion. Now it's time to shred some cheese. You may have noticed for years, whenever it came to shredding, I would use this Dollar Tree grater. Kind of flimsy, does a horrible job. Well, a subscriber sent me a new vegetable and cheese grater that I'm so excited to try. It's right here. It's one of these rotary graters. Thank you, Heidi's here and there. That was extremely thoughtful, and I'm excited to use it. I need about 3/4 of a cup of Swiss cheese. Oh, wow. This is easy. Couldn't be easier. Okay, you need a pack of any type of ramen noodle. Remove the seasoning packet. We don't need that. We're going to cook that in boiling water for about 2.5 minutes. Break it apart. The onions are cooked, and now in the pan I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted. I've drained that ramen. Now add it to the pan. I'm going to brown that a bit. Add a little salt and some black pepper. And now you just add and mix in that shredded cheese. Once it's melted, it's ready for eating. This is Spaetzle. Top with a little parsley. Ramen Spaetzle. It's great. It tastes like a comfort food. The cheese and onion really pops and makes it shine. It's a good dish. This is a really good side dish. I'll give it a 6.9 out of 10. Did you hear about the chameleon that couldn't change color? He had a reptile dysfunction.